Good morning, students. How are you? Am I audible, students? Okay. Now, today we will discuss again preposition. Okay. So, open your book, English grammar. Yes, Lavani Shaha, 5 point, very good. Shaptak, Srija, yes, I can see you. Oindrila, Diya, Arnab De, I am fine, thank you. Okay, yes, of course. Okay, now we will start preposition. Actually, we will discuss again this chapter. Now, oh yes, Jannat, yes. Good morning, Jannat. Now, preposition. What is called preposition? A preposition is a word which shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Okay? Clear, students? So, what is a preposition? Can you tell me? Who can tell me preposition? A preposition is a word which shows relation between a noun and pronoun, noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Clear? And you have done active or passive also. Yes, ma'am, you have done adverbs. Students, you can access my YouTube videos. There I have already completed preposition. But as I am doing now online live class, that's why I am revising preposition. You can access my YouTube videos from my e-portal also. Clear? Now, preposition, it shows the relation as I told you. Now, look at the blackboard. Look at the green board. If I say, the pen is on the table. Okay? On here shows the relation between the pen and the table. And if I say, the pen is inside the bag or in the bag, here inside. Okay, it shows the relation between pen and bag. Clear? Yes, Shaptaka, preposition is a word which shows the relation between the noun or yes, you are correct. Now look at the board. Next, if I write, the pen is under the pillow. Here, under shows the relation between pen and pillow. So these words, on, inside, under, they all are prepositions. Clear? Okay. What happened, Oindila? Now, come to the page 120, number C. And in a sentence, we must be aware of choosing preposition. If I say, the pen is on the table or inside the bag, that is correct. But we should choose the right preposition. Otherwise, the whole meaning of the sentence will be different or will be opposite. Clear? Oh, you cannot see me. Oh, that's a problem. Okay, now, okay, let me see. Sir, I'm not visible. Shohini, wait, we will do every chapters. না ভিজিবল দেখা যাচ্ছে না আমাকে তাই ম্যাম I cannot see you ma'am we cannot see you that's why কোথায় কোন দিকে শো বলুন ও আচ্ছা okay now students now you can see me okay And Shohini, follow all the classes. You will see that we will cover every chapter. Okay? Now wait. Number C. Underline the preposition in the following sentences. The first one, the traveler sat in the shade of a tree. Who can tell me the preposition? Which one is preposition? The traveler sat in the shade of a tree. In, of, isn't it? Okay. Next. Number 2. You should not be afraid of anybody. Which one? Number 2. Of. Okay. Okay, very good. Students, you are giving the right answer. Number 3. The lion went into the den. The lion went into the den. Yes, into. Very good. Number 4. The teacher will meet you after the class. The teacher will meet you after the class. After. Next, number 5. Madhu cut the apple with a knife. Yes, tell me. Madhu cut the apple with a knife. Which one? With. Very good. Who gave right answers? Srijani, Shaptak, Satik, Srija, Vendrila, Kaustubh, Shreya, Animesh. Very good. Next. Number 6. There is a wall around the garden. Right answer is around. Yes. Shiva, Lavani. Very good. Now, number 7. It is 6 by my watch. It is 6 by my watch. Now tell me by. Very good. Number 8. The legs of this chair are broken. The legs of this chair off. Number 9. Raju qualified the examination with good marks. Raju qualified the examination with good marks. With. Yes, with. Very good. Arnab, Srijani, Vendrila, Shaptak, yes, Shreya, Nilanjan, then Diya, Shoumojit, Next, number 10. The woodcutter worked from morning to night. Yes, from. Shoumojit, Srija, Lavani, Kaustubh, Vendrila, yes. All are very good. Now, number 11. Do not write this application with a pencil. Write it in ink. Number 11. With in. Very good. Number 12. I saw that our plane was flying over the Arabian Sea. Yes. Number 12. Who can? Yes, over. Very good. Number 13. On this point, I do not agree with you. On this point, I do not agree with you. Yes, on, with. Who is this? Shaptak. Very good. And Kaustubh also, Shoumojit. Yes. All are very good. Next, number 13. Number 13 is done. Number 14. Are you looking for your cell phone? It may be under the table. Are you looking for your cell phone? It may be under the table. Yes. Only under. Only for. For and under both. Now, number 15. Whose car is parked in the garage today? In. Yes. Now, come to number D. Number D, the prepositions are given in the box. We will choose the right one. Okay? And we will put the right preposition on right place. Clear? Now, here the prepositions are at, to, on, by, from, from, for, along, into, across, between. Clear? Now, number 1. I shall wait for you. Yes, at. Number 2. Where did you buy this cute bell? Cute bell? From. Number 2. From. Number 3. The ball rolled into a table. The ball rolled into a table. Next. Number 4. While walking along the railway track. Yes, very good. Along. Vendrila, good. Kaustubh. Yes. Hey, who wrote alone? Who wrote alone? Let me see. Someone did a spelling mistake. Let me see alone who wrote. Shomujit, correct the spelling. It is along. Okay. Next. Number 5. A car hit the dog while it was dashing across the road. Across the road. Who is asking again and again? Animesh. If 15th October the school will open or not, I don't know. You will see from the school website or notice will be given. Okay. At present, don't ask me. I don't know. Next. A car hit the dog while it was dashing across the road. Number 6. I requested my father to accompany me to the swimming pool. Did you write? To the, yes, to the swimming pool. Next. Number 7. The picture is hanging. The picture is hanging. Who can tell me? Number 7. From. The picture is hanging from the wall between the window and the door. Clear? Yes. Shaptak, Shohini, very good. Next. Number 8. This cover design was specially made by Anand for our school magazine. Who gave the right answer? Yes, it is Shomujit. Shomujit. Then Kaustubh. Yes, Arnab De. Then who? Only by. Why? Shatik, Nilanjan. Why? Yes, Shohini. By and for. Done? Okay. Students, you just practice this. Okay, these number C and number D. We will meet in the next class. Today's time period is very short. That's why. Doesn't matter. And if you follow my YouTube videos from my e-portal, you will see this chapter is also done there. Clear, students? I am so happy to meet you all, through net, through online class. I am so happy, so happy. Thank you all, students. Very good. Now, students, now tell me, ma'am, one question was wrong. Which one, Shatik? Which one, Shatik? Shatik, tell me, which one? Srija, in exam. Which one? In exam? Wait, Shatik, tell me which one you are talking about? Shatik? Show me your, I can see 7 twinkling stars in the sky. Which one? Which number? We have done only number C and number D. Where did you find that? I can see 7 twinkling stars in the sky. And Shohini, don't show picture. Don't send picture now. I can see 7 twinkling stars in the sky. Okay. So students, bye. Now